Today we'll talk about how can you enable social notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. Then you come to next CP here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to social here, just click on it. You come to this list, you come here to push, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here social notifications enable with us now in this color show for us here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.